In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on X. Whether you've rebranded, you're using a different nickname, or you just want a fresh look for your profile. Changing your name on X is quick and simple. I'll walk you through each step slowly, and you can follow along on your own device. First, open your browser or the X app and go to your X Home dashboard. This is the main screen you see after you log in, where your timeline appears with posts from people you follow. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log into the account whose name you want to change. Once you're on the home dashboard, look for your profile. On desktop, you'll usually find the profile option in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. On mobile, it's typically inside the main menu, which you can access by tapping your profile picture or the menu icon. Go ahead and click or tap on profile. This will take you to your public profile page where you can see your header image, profile picture, bio, and your current name. On your profile page, you'll see a button that says Edit Profile. This is the control panel for all your visible profile information. Click or tap on Edit Profile. When you do, a panel or screen will open with fields you can change, such as your name, bio, location, and other details. Now, click into the name field at the top. This is the display name that appears on your profile and next to your posts. Delete your current name if needed, and type in your new name exactly how you want it to appear. You can use capital letters, emojis, or symbols, as long as they're allowed by X. Take a moment to double check your spelling and make sure it looks the way you want, because this is what everyone will see. When you're happy with your new name, look for the Save button, usually in the top right or bottom of the Edit Profile screen. Click or tap on Save. X will apply your changes immediately, your profile will reload, and you should now see your updated name displayed at the top of your profile and next to your posts. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your name on X.